Your Careers and Skills Passport is a valuable tool to support your job applications. It allows you to share employment records, training history, and skills data from government-verified sources with potential employers. This adds credibility to your profile, which can help you stand out in the competitive job market. Let's walk through the process of sharing your data. When you're applying for a position on a partnering job portal, look for the option to retrieve your career and skills data. This allows you to link your account with your Careers and Skills Passport. You will be prompted to log in with your SingPass. Next, you'll be asked to grant permission for sharing your Careers and Skills Passport data. You can preview your data before sharing, so rest assured you have control over the data you share with the online job portal. After you click Agree and Continue, your selected Careers and Skills Passport data will be auto-filled in your job profile, simplifying your application process. The list of partner job portals is growing, so do check back regularly for updates. Take charge of your career journey by logging in to your Careers and Skills Passport to review and share your data today.